Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back. So I know you, Mamta ma'am has started this poem Childhood with you. Due to some unforeseen circumstances at home, I could not take your class in between. So Mrs. Mamta has covered the voice of the rain and she has given a brief introduction of the poem Childhood. So now I am back again and we are going to read line wise line today of this poem, Childhood. Now, Childhood by Marcus Natus is a very beautiful poem, as already introduced. In this poem, the poet asks that where has he lost his innocence and purity? Means he's asking himself that where, when did he lose his childhood, that is his innocence and purity. So in the first three stanzas, he tells us that he has lost his childhood when he was 11, whether he has lost his childhood when he realized that adults, the actions and the words of the adults were different, or he lost his childhood when he found that his mind was really his to use whichever way he chose. So in the last stanza, we see that from where he moves to when. So from when he moves to where. So he says that he had lost his childhood in the infant space, and that the childhood is hidden in the infant's face. So this is what the whole poem is all about. Now we will start reading the poem line wise line, and very carefully with me you open your books and watch the video, and I'm sure that you will be able to understand the poem very well. So first, when did my childhood go? Now here the poet is asking that when did I lose my childhood? When did I lose my innocence and purity? Was it the day I ceased to be 11? Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography and therefore could not be? Was that the day? So the poet says that when did I lose my childhood? Did I lose my childhood when I turned 11? Or did I lose my childhood when I realized that there is no hell and heaven which exist and it could not be found in the books of geography? So he says that was that the day when I lost my childhood. So two things he's saying in the first stanza. Basically, he's talking about rationality in the first stanza. He's talking about rationalism, that means practicality, in the first stanza. He says that when did I lose my childhood? Did I lose my childhood when I turned to be 11? Or when I lost my childhood when I realized that there is no hell and heaven which could be found in the books of geography? So, did I lose my childhood when these two things happened to me? Means he's talking about rationalism. He's talking about practical thinking. Now let's move on to stanza number 2. When did my childhood go? Was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seemed to be? They talked of love and preached of love, but did not act so lovingly. Was that the day? Now here the poet is saying that when did I lose my childhood? Did I lose my childhood when I realized that adults were not all they seemed to be? Means their words and their actions were different. They talked about love and they preached love, but they never acted according to that. They were more involved in violence. They never acted with lovingly. So their words never matched with actions. So did I lose my childhood when I realized that adults were different Their words and their actions never match. So did I lose my childhood when I realized that adults were not the same as they seem to be? So here in this stanza, the poet is talking about hypocrisy. Hypocrisy in adults. Hypocrite person is a person whose words and whose actions, they do not match with each other. So he says that, did I lose my childhood when I realized that adults were hypocrites? Hypocrites means the people whose words and actions do not match with each other. They always used to talk about love. They always preached about love, but never acted with lovingly. Their words and actions never matched. Now I hope this stanza is absolutely clear to you. Now moving on to the third stanza. When did my childhood go? Was it when I found my mind was really mine, to use whichever way I choose, producing thoughts that were not those of other people, but my own and mine alone? Was that the day? So the poet says that when did I lose my childhood? Did I lose my childhood when I realized that my mind was really mine, and I'd started using my mind, and I had started producing thought that were not of any other person. Means he's talking about individuality. He says that when I realized that I was an individual, I had a mind of my own, and I started producing my thoughts which were not of others, but they were my own, and they were his own thoughts. So when did I lose my childhood? Did I lose my childhood when I realized my individuality, right? I realized that my thoughts were mine. The thoughts which I produced, they were from my own mind. They were not of others. Did I lose my childhood then? So he's asking, when did I lose my childhood? Now in the last stanza, so in this stanza he's talking about individuality. Now in the last stanza, where did my childhood go? It went to some forgotten place that's hidden in an infant's face. That's all I know. So in this stanza, he's from when he moves to where. Now he says that, where has my childhood gone? I don't know where it has gone. Has it gone to some place which I've forgotten? Or it's hidden in an infant's face. Infant is a small baby of 0 to 2 years. So he says that's whether it is hidden in an infant's face. That's all I know. So he says, I don't know where my childhood has gone, but I only know maybe it went to some forgotten place, or it is hidden in a face of a very small child, infant. So he says, that's all I know. So as you can see, this is a very beautiful poem of 4 stanzas, and very beautifully the poet has described that he's asking that, when did I lose my childhood? In the first paragraph, he's talking about rationality. In the second paragraph, he's talking about hypocrisy, about the adults whose words do not match with the actions. In the third paragraph, he's talking about individuality. He says that, I think I lost my childhood when I realized that my thoughts were my own. My mind was mine. So then I think I lost my childhood when I realized this. And in the last stanza, he's moving from when to where. He says that maybe my childhood has gone to some forgotten place, or it's hidden in an infant's face. So this is what the poet is trying to explain us through this poem. So I hope you have understood the poem well, and please watch this video twice or thrice for better understanding of the poem. And if you have any doubt anywhere, you are most welcome to get back to me on the September exams class 11th group. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.